Hello, this is Mike. We're going to talk about model railroading today. A little bit of benchwork, tacking down and gluing the roadbed, sanding it, and then laying the track. What I've done today is set up a temporary showpiece with this clamp benchwork, and I clamped the 2x2, which represents the 2x2 that would be attached to the wall by lag bolts or large wood screws. Then you attach the braces here with wood screws such as these, 1 inch and 5/8 drywall screws. Screw these through. Then you put a couple pieces of plywood here, as you'll see from the picture that we began the video with. And then we have another 2x2 brace here that goes up here. And you want this to be level. And you want this to be level straight up and down. Now we're putting the tacks in the roadbed. And then we'll apply the glue and then hammer it down a little bit. And then let it dry for about an hour or so, and it'll be ready for sanding. This here has already been tacked down, and it's ready to pull out and sand, and we'll do that after I get this tacked down, so you can see how that's done. We'll apply the glue, just like so. Spread it out a little bit. Grab the hammer, start pulling them down. Sometimes the plastic breaks. That's one down. That's in the second piece. Just like so. Nice bead of glue, spread her out. Make sure you get your glue up to the side of the other cork, because you want that to be nice and tight. And you want to push it up against the other cork so when you sand it, it's nice and solid. Wipe up our excess glue. Okay. Now we'll pull these tacks out, sand that. And sometimes you want to customize your cork a little bit, like we did to my left here for the beginning of the turnout. If you don't want to do that, you can also purchase from Midwest Cork special pads just for the turnout itself. But once you customize and cut a little bit of cork with your X-Acto knife or razor knife, right here in the center, sometimes you'll have a little bit of excess glue, and they don't always lay exactly uniform, so that's why we sand it to make sure it's nice and level for the track. That sanding is done now. Now we just got to grab the vacuum and get this dust out of the way, and we'll put some track down.